हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू लेट्स गेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट। Amazon KDP सपोर्ट एनालिस्ट रोल के लिए हायरिंग कर रही है। जॉब लोकेशन इज हैदराबाद। लेट्स चेक द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन फर्स्ट। Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a self-service publishing service for publishing e-books to the Amazon and Kindle store. The KDP support analyst will be the frontline interface between Amazon and vendors, content publishers who use the KDP tool to upload content they want to put up for sale on the Kindle store. The KDP support analyst will serve as the primary support interface for vendors using the KDP system and ensure all their concerns are duly attended to such that the system works smoothly. Opportunities await strong candidates looking for a fast-growing, dynamic, challenging, innovative and fun work environment. This is a unique opportunity to be a part of a revolutionary product that is changing the way people read. Now let us check कौन कौन एलिजिबल है इसको अप्लाई करने के लिए। सो बेसिक क्वालिफिकेशंस आर एक्सीलेंट रिटन एंड वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड, process and respond to phone calls and emails received from publishers, work on developing personalized responses for publisher questions, must be able to interact with external parties like customers and suppliers comfortably, investigate payment concerns brought up by customers, route payment concerns to accounts payable, reprocess stuck books through the system, route issues and bugs that need engineering practice to the development teams, remove certain content as it is identified by the QA team and notify vendors that their content has been removed, maintain and improve a knowledge base with unique vendor requests and their solutions. Work with customer service manager in documenting process flows, should be willing to work in night shifts and over the weekends. Should be willing to manage all skills and channels, email, chat and phone within the business. Should be willing to do overtime whenever the business needs to support volume. The selected candidate should be working from office at Hyderabad. Now let's check the preferred qualification. Additional computer skill certification in web technologies are preferable. Experience in web-enabled software products or services is highly preferred. Should be able to understand a complex problem and respond to authors. Basic familiarity with web technologies and HTML is highly desirable. Strong analytical skills required. Must be able to understand problems that authors are facing, categorize, document and decide when and to whom to escalate them. Detail-oriented and process-focused, must be able to follow the process and document interactions as per requirements in clear and concise manner. College graduates. So all graduates are eligible to apply. If you are interested in this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply now button. After clicking on apply now, this page will open and you have to log in into your Amazon account. After that, this page will open. You have to fill all the information, that is your contact information, SMS notification, general questions, work history and skills, education, work eligibility, then your resume, acknowledgement, voluntary equal employment opportunities, self-identification, voluntary self-identification of military status, and then you have to read your application and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.